Hi, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi Samsung Galaxy S23 device. So first, let's open the settings app and then tap to connections section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all the available networks. Just select one from this network. Here you should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here to this icon to have no some mistakes. So I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just tap to connect button. Wait a second, and we can see that this our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can use more networks here. Just by the same way, select the network, enter the password, tap to connect. After that, you just will be able to change the network. For example, when you'll get the slow internet connection. Just to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, you should use the switcher. And also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first you should open the notification panel shortcuts. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click to this icon. After that, to launch Wi-Fi settings, to select the network, hold for a while this icon, and by the same way just select the networks, enter the passwords, and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.